MRC, Motorcycle Rides in California. And this ride, again, is Couser Canyon Road, right off the 76 freeway, heading kind of Paula area, but really this road takes you more closer to Valley Center. But as you're going to see, what a fantastic ride you're about to enjoy. I could not tell you on how beautiful of a trail this truly is. And right before we're about to get all on it and enjoy this trail to the full, we come across a car. Let us pass because there's three of us and we're definitely not quiet. So as we're going along this road, you know, you're going to notice right off the bat on how absolutely beautiful, full of twisties, and it's just a fun ride. And before I know it, we are going to hit more traffic, but just letting you know right off the bat, this is a guaranteed solid 4 on my count. Trucker was waving us by. So, and as you'll see on the video, there's road construction happening that I was not aware of, that they were cleaning off the sides, so causing a lot of dirt and debris to go on the road. But just saying, I don't endorse trying to break the law.
First, obey the law.
And he let us by, but, you know, oops. So do you remember when I said sand? This is just a beautiful ride. So good.
So good.
So obviously now, as you can see, as we're going through, we're just enjoying this ride. And this is just my favorite part of this ride. This is truly where it is very scenic. And obviously, if there wasn't so much construction, I would be going much smoother and a little bit more enjoyment. But again, I definitely recommend to come back and hit this one up. So do you remember when I was talking about dirt on the road? Yeah, now you can clearly see why we slow down and take our time. So as you can see now, we are now heading downward. So this part from now on, there's no more construction, very little cars on the road, and now we're going to thoroughly enjoy this ride. So we now need to do a V in the road. This is here where you can go ahead and choose to go right. This will take you back to kind of it's West Lilac, or to that area to get North Valley Center. If you go left, just take a note, it is also a beautiful ride, but it will literally end up completely on dirt. So fair warning, don't go left. You want to turn right here on the street. So now the rest of this is also, I did it in fast forward so you can kind of hear it, but I'm explaining to them how we could technically go ahead and just do a loop if we wanted to. We can go back to Old 395 and then we can come and do this road again if they wanted to.
Yeah, good road. Yeah, for sure. And sorry, dude, I'm not as fast as you guys. I'm just cruising. Yeah. So it's like. I know the road, so yeah. I'm okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm only going because I don't got my leathers, so I'm just cruising and, you know, that's but yeah. All right, sweet. We'll have fun on this one.
So for the rest of this ride, again, it's just a really fun kickback ride, heading back to West Lilac. It is, just as you can clearly see, very smooth, still full of twisties, but not as much as like going up from the 76 area. So guys, enjoy this ride, see for the rest of it, and again, it's a wonderful ride. So guys and gals, we're coming to the end of this ride. At the end of this, I'm going to be turning right on West Lilac. If you guys can, please click on the link on the top here. It will tell you how to come from the opposite direction. I call it the Valley Center ride. But again, When you turn right here, you can go back and literally do a complete loop again and do this over and over if you wanted to really enjoy it, just have a wonderful time. So guys, this is the end of my ride. Please, if you can, leave a like, subscribe, and pass the word as well. And if you yourself have a ride that you would like to do and you want me to film with you and just have fun or collaborate, let me know. Other than that, guys, really appreciate it. And again, a different way of formatting this video, but oh well.